Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me Pratyusha here. In this video, I want to share 3 varieties of pasta I make at home. My kids love pasta. So if we make them at home with all vegetables, then it is going to be a good choice for the lunch box. So let's see what are the different types of pasta I make and the process of making it. First variety of the pasta is with all the vegetables and cheese. So first I am boiling 3 to 4 cups of pasta in instant pot along with water and salt and oil. I am taking the instant pot because it is easy. We can keep the saute timer for 20 minutes. And after 20 minutes you need to strain it out and pasta will be ready. Take a big pan and heat the pan. After that add 2-3 tablespoons of oil and in that add the chopped garlic and add the chopped onions and saute the onions for some time. After the onions are nicely sauteed, you can add the tomatoes as per your taste and later you can add the capsicum pieces and also add any other vegetables like corn, carrot or peas. But my kids love to have this one. So here I am adding the salt, chili powder, dhania jeera and ketchup. Mix all the spices along with ketchup and now it is the time to add the pasta and mix it nicely. Let the pasta gets coated with all the spices and ketchup. After mixing, pasta looks very colorful with all vegetables. Serve it hot. My kids love to take it in the thermos box, so I served them in this lunch box. If you like, you can add the cheese at this point of time and cook it for 2 minutes. Creamy cheesy pasta is ready with all vegetables. The other variety is creamy tomato pasta. It is so easy to make it. In this video we will see how to make creamy tomato pasta very delicious. Take 3 cups of pasta and boil it along with the salt in a bowl and later strain them off and keep it aside. And in another pot add 2-3 spoons of oil and in that add the garlic pieces and chopped onions and also tomato paste from Costco. Add 2-3 spoons of paste here and mix it nicely along with water and salt and chili flakes and make it as a paste. In this mixture I am going to add the whipping cream and mix it nicely. Now add the boiled pasta into this mixture and mix it with this creamy tomato paste. It is very delicious and it's my kids' favorite and serve them hot. Other variation of the pasta is the basil pesto pasta. This is also tasty and different flavor. This is also very healthy when you are making at home because we are using the herbals and nuts in this one. Basil and pine nuts and cheese. So this is also very easy to make. Let's see how we can make at home very easily. To make the basil pesto sauce, we need all these ingredients: pine nuts, garlic, and freshly washed basil leaves, and the parmesan cheese. Now I am blending them all together in the mixie jar along with the chilies. And we need to add sufficient amount of olive oil to make the pesto sauce. So my kids love to have the spiciness, so I am adding the chili powder. After blending all, it is looking so colorful. If we make it little bit more quantity, we can also keep it in the fridge for 1 week. To cook the pasta, I boiled them in the instant pot for 20 minutes. Instant pot, keep it in the saute mode, add little oil and then add the pesto sauce and mix it nicely. And now it is the time to add the pasta little by little and mix it so that all the pasta has to be coated with this pesto sauce. Serve it with the extra chili flakes and cheese. My kids love to have all these things along with it. You can also use this pesto sauce for the spaghetti pasta. This is also very tasty. Thank you for watching and please let me know which is your favorite pasta in the comment section.